me out. Oh, what in the Grand Canyon? I almost fell off this cliff, man. Where y'all got me at? Hold up. This ain't the zoo. Hold up. Man, where y'all done brought me at? Hold up. Am I free? That's why y'all taking all these pictures and stuff? Y'all letting me go? Hold up, man. Man, let me knock the dust off my feathers for a second. Hold up. Okay. All right, so y'all telling me I could go anywhere I want to go right now. Like I got carte blanche. I can just fly anywhere I want to, and y'all ain't gonna shoot at me, right? I'm free, right? Okay, hold up. I was just checking. Man, I tell y'all what then. I'm gonna head over here because it looks pretty over here. Tell my partners I said bye, and I appreciate it, y'all. Man.